Today we're going to talk about how to adjust the drive modes in your new Macan Electric. We're going to adjust the drive modes using the mode switch on the steering wheel. First, let's go to Sport. You'll notice over here in the PCM, the chassis has gone to Sport and the level has gone to Lowered. Your electric sport sound has also been turned on. Now we'll go to Sport Plus. You'll notice the chassis has gone to a stiffer setting with dampening and Sport Plus. Your level is now at the lowest setting, Low, and your electric sport sound is still on. Now let's go back to off-road mode. You'll notice that the vehicle is going up for off-road mode. It has a specific tuning for PASM or your dampening. Your level will be set to off-road 1. You have another setting that's possible, which is off-road 2, which is just a little bit higher. Now there are two different ways in which you can adjust the drive mode. One is from the drive mode switch on the steering wheel. The second is here in Car, and here you can see drive mode. And you can choose which drive mode you would like to be in from this particular screen as well. The new Macan Electric has the ability to customize certain drive modes. Here in Normal, you'll notice this spot's empty, but let's move to Sport, and you'll see these two icons pop up. The check mark is Save, and this is Return to Factory Settings. Now let's adjust one of our drive modes here. If I was in Sport, I would actually like for my suspension level to be low. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select the check mark to save. And now Sport has been saved with this new suspension setting. After you've saved the new drive mode, it will stay in this configuration until you do a reset. Select the button here and you'll notice drive mode Sport has been reset to the factory settings and it's gone back to Lowered. Here in the instrument cluster, you can see the Porsche Electric Sport sound, and then of course our suspension settings with dampening, and then our level and lift. If we change our chassis level, it will also change there as well. You can also adjust the drive mode using the Porsche Voice Pilot. All you have to say is, "Hey Porsche, switch drive mode to normal."
Normal drive mode activated.
And here you can see chassis is set to normal, the level is set to normal, and we've turned off the electric sport sound. You now can adjust and customize the drive modes in your new Macan Electric.